So first we will learn about the downloading. Okay, how I can download my Tableau in my PC. So now to download, actually the download link is already open. I just downloaded the latest version of the Tableau, so I will come to there, but now I will just going to show how to actually download the Tableau latest version. So now you just find Tableau download, okay, in the Google. Okay, then the Google will give you the link, so you need to click. Just before, here you will get the download free trial. Okay, you can see there. So now you have to give an email ID. Okay, business email ID. Business email ID means any email ID. Your personal email ID is will also work. Now you need to click on the download free trial. So the download will be started. So I'm canceling it. I just downloaded it. So I'm just canceling it. So now that I will click here, double click. Okay, it is working. So you click on the I have read and accept the terms of the license agreement. Okay, don't send product usage data. It is just up to you. So for me, I am selecting it. You may not select it. So and just click on the install. Now yes. Okay, it is running. So now it is downloaded and installed. Okay, and it is after installing, it is opening automatically. Other side, I have the icon in my desktop. Okay, you can see here. If you click here, then the software then it can open. Okay, okay. So start trial now. Because I don't have the product key, I don't have any option that I can actually activate the Tableau. I have to go for the trial version. Okay, so now I'm clicking here. Okay, start trial version. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to actually enter my all details. My name is Arno Banerjee. Suite name, it is btchrnb@gmail.com. My oldest email ID. So now I'm living now in Bangalore, but I'm now typing in because of the lockdown situation. I'm now in Kolkata, and postal code is 7D0129. Organization is now I'm typing here HCL. Phone number is 9073464554, and job title is okay, senior tech lead. Okay, so department is engineering and development, and industries okay. Now I'm just I actually I'm unable to search. State Bank is state is West Bengal. Okay, Kolkata is in West Bengal, and now I'm clicking on register button. Okay. Now it is showing registration is completed. I'm clicking on continue button. Okay, so what will happen? Now the Tableau is opened. Okay, fine. So this is the Tableau tool. Okay, first I will go for the basic, very basic.